What is that? What is that? Do you smell these? Do you smell these? Is that what you want? Is that what you want? Can we, come in. Oops. Come on, can we do it once for the come on. Look at Mama. Come here. Come here. Okay, leave it. Leave it. Okay. That's a good girl. Oh my God, I'm so proud of you. You're such a fighter. There you go. It's okay. Good to see you haven't lost your manners. Can you show people what you got down here? Look. That's her boo-boo spot. That's where they put all her stuff in. But she's a happy dog as long as we have... I keep shoveling these treats into her. Can you sit? Isis, sit. 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 Come on. Good girl. Can we go down? Good girl. Julio won't be too upset with you. He will be mad when he hears what you did, though. He'll say, "Stupid dog. But you look so good." I can't figure out how to post this. I am so thrilled at how good you look.